Hello everyone. So today we will discuss five pillars of API design. So if you are working on building APIs, especially with Node.js and designing them properly is super important. A well-designed API is like a good restaurant menu. So it should be clear, easy to use and predictable as well. So here are some pillars of API design. So every Node.js developer should know. And so the first stuff could be like the interface, what it is. So basically, the interface is how clients talk to your API and it defines what operations are available and how to use them. For example, we usually follow the CRUD operations, right? So APIs. Uh, so create, read, update, or delete, these can be there. And the second one is like API paradigms. So what it is. So there are different styles of technologies for building APIs. The one could be like REST APIs, which is traditional and resource based, and other could be like GraphQL. Clients ask exactly for the data it needs, and another can be like gRPC. This is high performance used for microservices, and it use binary protocol. So let's have a like quick Node.js insights. For example, if you're not aware about, so for the REST APIs you can use Express or Fastify, and for the GraphQL you can use Apollo server, and for the gRPC you can use gRPC slash gRPC.js library, and you can use your technology based on your project needs. And another one is relationship in APIs. This is really important. So APIs often need to express relationships. If, for example, a user has many orders, a product has many reviews. So this keep relations clear and predictable for API consumers. For example, we can have a GET request. It should be like starting from API slash user slash ID, which can be dynamic number, and slash orders. So this makes it clear. And another topic is versioning, what it is. So over time APIs evolves. You might need to add new features or change old ones or deprecate old ones without breaking any existing clients or existing services. So versionings lets you manage, for example, you can have API slash v1 and you can have API slash v2 for the same thing for the products and the products. So this way you can better use of backward compatibility. At the same time you are building some new stuffs. The last topic is rate limiting. This is really important to protect your API from abuse or accidental overload by limiting how many requests a client can make. So this also prevents DOS attacks, TOS attacks, and it keeps API performance stable, and it allows fair uses of for everyone. So you can create a rate limiter in Node.js by using Express rate limit library. It is very super easy. So there are some my final thoughts on this one. Like designing a good API is not just about writing code. It's about building something that is easy to understand, reliable for all clients, and scalable for the future as well. Yep. So that was it. Thank you so much.